For his U.S. Army top fueler, Luis Perez. Come on up, bring him on. All right, again, in no particular order. Top 9 for his 29 Model A Roadster. Tim Kalankiewicz, would you bring your car up to the stage? This one kind of took me as a surprise, but once you see it and once you think about it, you'll see why. For his 44 Ford sedan delivery, Mark Axon. We've been him for a long time, and we just got done putting together an article for Model Car Magazine. I'd like Bill Cunningham to bring up his Phantom Z. Again, in no particular order, for his 74 Ford F100, Shane Harold. Nice job. Shane, bring it up. Tom White, bring your 32 Ford Chop Trooper. Next couple of guys. Gosh, it's a disappointment. Well, maybe not. Bobby Jones, number 2, the CRA Sprint car. It's a scratch-built car by Clay Kemp. Jay Savage, bring up your Dale Jr. 2002 Budweiser Chevy.
You entered it online, submitted pictures, and people voted on it. And we decided that we would announce the winner today as well. And I believe that the car is actually here also. So, take it away. Jay Savarese, please bring us the Petty Roadrunner.
Every piece of that model is a model in itself. Randy Durr, would you bring up your 1974 IMSA Greenwood Corvette? Model Car Magazine would like to offer Dylan Thomas an award for his Bugatti. We have Where Were You in 62? And I'd like Gerald Wolf to bring up his 57 Ford Gasser, Dodge Hollow. Our special theme this year was Radwood. Mark Baston, will you bring up your Throttle Power? When I found it on the list, I was very pleased. For his 61 Chevrolet Bel Air, Bradley Weirick, bring it up. ACME Excellence in Engineering Award has been renamed for Dave Mozart, which is one of our longtime ACME members. Excellent in modeling. Okay. This gentleman gave me a piece of information years and years ago. He says, when you're going to build a model, every piece of that model is a model in itself. Randy Durr, would you bring up your 1974 IMSA Greenwood Corvette? Andrew Ontiveros and Ruthie Inman on the stage.